Hi everyone. In this video we're going to be taking a look at domain names, how to choose and register a domain name. We'll first start off by explaining what a domain name is. A domain name is the web address of a particular website online. For example, facebook.com is the domain name for Facebook. Think of your domain name as your online passport. It is a way for you to be identified online. It is how your visitors or customers will find your business online. A domain name gives you ownership of your website. When choosing a domain name, there are different extensions to choose from. An extension is the ending part of a domain name. For example, the .org at the end of a name, or .net, .com, .edu. These are all domain name extensions. Different extensions cost different price. From time to time, GoDaddy runs specials on different extensions. Sometimes you'll get an extension for $1.17 per year, sometimes 99 cents per year, and so on. .com extensions are the most popular extensions, perhaps because they've been around a long time. Now, a few tips to consider when choosing a domain name. When you're choosing your domain name, you want to go for something that has 2 to 3 words. 2 to 3 words is easier to remember as opposed to 5 to 6 words. They're too long. People have a harder time remembering 5 to 6 word domain names. You want to choose a domain name that is reflective of your business. It's not mandatory, but it's a good practice. So let's say you're going into the beauty niche. You want to choose a domain name that's going to be reflective of beauty. You want to avoid domain names with numbers and hyphens in them. You could choose a domain name that's reflective of you, your personality. You take your name as a domain name. That way you could probably branch into, your website could be about anything because it's not specific. It has not been specified as to one particular niche. Now, in order to get a domain name, you go to GoDaddy.com and type into their search bar the chosen domain name, your preferred domain name. So let's say you're going into the dog breeding niche. You could say dogbreeding.com and search. And if it's available, then GoDaddy will let you know. Right now, dogbreeding.com is taken. And let's change the extension and see. Let's go with dogbreeding.com.site. See if that one is taken as well. Okay, dogbreeding.site is available. And so we see here that .site extensions are currently $1.17 per year. Originally, .site extension would have been for $40.17, but it seems as though GoDaddy is having a special on .site pricing. Okay, so to continue with dog breeding.site, let's say we decide to go with that, we'll just head over to continue to cart. Okay, so once it gets to the cart, we could decide once it gets to the cart, you could sign in if you already have a GoDaddy account, or you could choose to sign up for a GoDaddy account. Once you've done that, then you'll continue through to your billing and payment and complete your process. Once your process has been completed, that will be it for choosing your domain name with GoDaddy.